Today, we review the top 6 blade for Honda lawnmower that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Honda HRX Blade Kit. If you have a Honda HRX 217, HRX 217K1, HRX 217K2, HRX 217K3, or HRX 217K4 model lawnmower, you need this set of 2 genuine Honda mower blades. These blades are OEM Honda parts, part numbers 72511VH7-000 and 72531VH7-000, each. Be sure to check your model lawnmower to make sure these are the correct blades for your machine. These are a brand new genuine set of 2 Honda mower blades. We are an authorized Honda dealer. Number 2. Honda HRR 216 Blade Kit. If you are unsure of which parts you need for your engine or equipment, please contact the seller before submitting your order. The seller will need the following information in order to look up the correct parts for your engine or equipment: the model, code type, and serial/frame number. Number 3. Pawika Lawn Mower Blade Set. Looking for a replacement for your 72531VH7-000 upper and 72511VH7-000 lower lawn mower blade set? Look no further than this 21-inch replacement lawn mower blade set. Made of high-quality metal material, this replacement blade set works as the OEM parts and is easy to install. 100% quality and satisfaction guaranteed. For any reason you are not completely satisfied, please feel free to contact us to give you a replacement or a full refund. Number 4. Honda HRR Blade Set 72531V2-020. If you have a Honda HRR lawnmower, you know that keeping it in top condition is important to maintaining a beautiful lawn. The Honda HRR 21 inches Quadra-Cut Replacement Twin Blade Set is a great way to keep your mower performing at its best. The double-sided blades are designed specifically for Honda HRR models and produce a smooth cut with fine clippings, making them ideal for mulching and bagging. With genuine Honda OEM blades, you can be sure you're getting the highest quality and best fit for your mower. Number 5. Honda 90105-960-710 Mower Blade Hex Bolts. Looking for a quality and durable 10 by 20 mm replacement lawn mower bolt set? Look no further than this one. It is made of high-quality metal material and works as the OEM parts. It is easy to install. 100% quality and satisfaction guaranteed. For any reason you are not completely satisfied, please feel free to contact us to give you a replacement or a full refund. Number 6. 72511VH7-000 Lawn Mower Blade Set. Looking for a quality and durable 21-inch replacement lawn mower blade set? Look no further than this one. It is made of high-quality metal material and works as the OEM parts. It is easy to install. 100% quality and satisfaction guaranteed. For any reason you are not completely satisfied, please feel free to contact us to give you a replacement or a full refund. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.